In Windows, you can store the status of each row by either 1 or -1 or whichever way you have, but there's a more presentable way to do this. Select the cell that you want to show the presentation, press Ctrl 1, select Custom. Here you type square bracket green, close square bracket, Windows full stop to open up emoji window. Select the emoji that you want, followed by space, double quote, space, let's say, I'm gonna say watch, close, double quote, semicolon, open square, red, close square, Windows period, let's say I want to put a cross here, and then I'm gonna say double quote, space, waiting, double quote, and click on OK. As you can see, there's this colorful emoji that comes up. If you want to apply, click on paint format and apply in all of them. And then if you change to 1 here and -1, it changes accordingly.